Now I'll add the wave effect to this text. So I'm going to effects and searching here wave warp and adding the wave warp effect to my clip. Then after selecting the clip, I'm going to effect controls and here under wave warp, clicking on wave height and giving value here 40. And wave width I'm giving for 450. And here clicking on pinning drop down and here select all edges. And now let's play our timeline, and here we have a wave effect. To change your wave speed, you can just click on this wave speed and you can just increase your wave speed just like this. And you can click on wave type and here you get bunch of different wave type. You can go ahead and select any of them. That's it.